The other second downstream application that is very useful is scenario testing. That's beyond backtesting, right? I mean, backtesting only tests your trading strategy based on the historically realized return, which is very limited. But trading is about the future. It's not what happened in 2008. It's not what happened in 2020. It's not even what happened in 2025 March. It is about what's going to happen tomorrow. That's what's important. Who cares what happened in the past? I want to know what happened tomorrow. But the conditions that are in place now is very complicated. We may not have seen the exact circumstance in the past, or maybe we have seen it for 1 or 2 days. How do we simulate that scenario? That's again where GenAI can help. It is that GenAI can generate number of possible scenarios based on a very complicated set of prompts.